We are back with another one. We are going to, what is it called? That's Deli. Kimara found it. Now my husband turned Olympic runner. I don't know what he's trying to do. But we're going to That's Deli. It's another viral TikTok place that sells the famous oxtail and mac and cheese stuffed beef patty. So Kimara found it. I know they had one in Queens, but now they got one in Lower Manhattan. Oh, look at cheesesteaks. They just have place. This is our spot right here, right, Greg? Are y'all paying attention to how we get there? Y'all better take out your GPS, because y'all don't even know which way we're walking to Clinton. If I had $1 to give him, I would have gave him $1. I don't have $1, sir. What's this? Oh, look, Greg, a Thai restaurant. Right here. One more Thai. I hope y'all know where you're going. I'm following them. 69. This place is on 69 Clinton. Okay, let's see what it do. We found it. Let me see. It's across the street. You got money? Guan. Coming in this spot. What he want? Oh wait, babe. It's a small spot?
Sorry.
No, you're okay.
So tired.
Yeah, so it's a small spot. It's not like, okay, so the place, Royce said the beef patty is ton. You know, she had to eat hers already. Fiending. But, or maybe I should give y'all my opinion, because y'all know when I walk in a place, I be looking for a certain ambiance. Extra, extra. So when I get back home, I'm gonna tell y'all my experience, and we're gonna taste this oxtail mac and cheese patty and see what it's hitting for. Okay.
Oxtail?
Huh?
I was eating oxtail.
It tastes good? Like that, girl. Yeah, so all right, I hit y'all back. All right, so on the outside it's nice because it has their Guyanese flag on it, so you know it's a Guyanese establishment and family owned. Ex-wife, mother and father of the children work there, all of that whole type of environment. I would go again. Maybe it's been a long day, because sometimes when you walk in places you kind of sense certain kind of energy, and she kind of seemed like she ready to go home to me. Not that she was rude, she wasn't rude. but she wasn't like overly, how you say, welcoming. It was like, what would you like? Straight to the point, basically. And you know, I'm more of a, hi, welcome, what would you like? You know, make me want to come back kind of person. That's what I am. Best way to say it. But I would go back. And this is what it looks like. What do you think better? So it's oxtail, mac and cheese, and a patty.
It's so spicy.
Let's see what it's hitting for.
You like it?
How y'all like it? Y'all like it? You would buy it again?
Mm-hmm. This one.
I would buy Snow White food.
Let me see.
That's
now.
where I saw snow. I would have ate it, but it's a little more. What does it taste like?
It's wrapped in cocoa bread. It's spicy. And they give you a plantain. See, plantain on the side.
I wish it's true.
It's good. I probably would want less mac and cheese and more of the oxtail meat.
Here's the
Try
money.
this one.
Okay.
More money.
Now my husband stopped at Fluffy's. Fluffy's hot chicken. Is it spicy? It's spicy. She ain't even eat it.
Okay.
Let me try one. So what's the difference?
I same thing. I just jam on. Put it all in my one box.
No, I like the flats. Okay. What kind of sauce is this?
Only barbecue.
Is it spicy?
Okay.
'Cause I'm not like spicy chicken.
This is Fluffy's chicken, a completely different restaurant. Okay.
I do not know what's fluffy.
Let's see.
Especially I do not know about chicken. That's the only thing I don't know about. I don't know about chicken. I don't know about the fluff. Oh, fluffies. Okay, let me try. Hope it doesn't taste spicy.
That's spicy. Not spicy to you? No, I wouldn't buy that again. I'm not hard to please when it comes to food, but I just like my food a certain way.
What's hot? It's burning. It's burning. Help! 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 I know that chicken will be spicy.
I wouldn't get the chicken again because
It's too spicy. I would
too
have
much
done-
flour, too breaded, like they double dipped it. And I'm not a fan of that. Some people like to do that because they like the chicken, like it thick. There's thickness to it.
I don't like it.
You know what I mean? Like they take it, like egg, whatever they do, dip it, then they dip it in egg again, and then dip it in the flour again. I don't like that. Fluffy's not for me. They got tenders?
I would eat it.
Maybe I would do the tenders. But the tenders are thick too?
It's like double?
I
don't think so.
Yeah, that's too, and I love me some wings. Well, not my style. You like it? Okay. As far as this goes, Less mac and cheese, more oxtail. And would I buy it again? Probably not. I would buy a plate because she said they sell plates.
Okay.
Alright, like, share, subscribe. I'm always gonna be honest and give you the real. Till the next video.
Yes, good.